Motherfucker. Money Mark.
Oh, what? She told me.
She waiting.
Oh, Tori. Wait.
Way out here.
Yeah, and except for look, I'm into the thing. That's a whole clip. No, that ain't a whole clip, but it's a lot low.
Busting on quick, busting on like 40.
That one.
At the gun range, you know what I mean?
This one.
Money, greasy. So,
That, and it's fucking, what? And it's fucking pancreas.
Hey, can I do a whole clip?
let me bust that,
They
man.
gonna have to buy
Hey, hey, so,
Buy another box of bullets?
You don't have to.
we laugh for the people.
You laughing at people?
Let me
You know
bust
what I'm saying? I'm about to let Tree get on this sick
Hello?
straight round 7, you know what I mean?
Let me Money.
You want to do the challenge?
Big boy.
Hand me the clip.
Yeah, big boy
You
friend.
know what I'm saying? Good. Let's set the clip down on that
What's
one.
that? Tell them what that is.
This is the Trey Brown 7 right here. Big boy toy, you know what I'm saying?
Money.
I'm gonna get it.
Get it. My fault, bro. Money.
I didn't even hit it. Didn't even hit the thing. She hit it.
Oh, we didn't murder. I killed this nigga on this round. B. Oh, them is new.
Hey, let me get some action, B. Let Tree get some action.
This
B.
one. We working this
Gotta
nigga.
buy some more bullets. How much
We
is
need
that?
bullets. Let's grab some bullets.
Let me do the whole one.
Wow.
How much is the box?
I mean, you already owe me like 45. You know what I'm saying?
45.
It's for my people right here, man. I need to load them up. I need to bang something for the people right now, man. Young True, man.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Where's my thing?
I'm about to load you up.
I'll put $10 on it.
I'll
So
put
give me
10
15.
Now we gotta get 10 for yours.
Money Mark talking right there, people.
Talking
How
business.
much is $7?
Selling 40
Oh, my
cows.
bad.
Go grab the box of the bullets.
40 cows.
Oh, grab some people too.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. We got like,
Grab some targets.
Huh?
Hold on.
I don't want to do the
You hear me, babe?
We're doing the challenge.
Money out
Yeah,
here.
grab some
I
targets.
got you. I gotta load it up.
You about the bus right there?
I'm gonna load it on the camera.
Yeah, give me right there. Oh, yeah. Hold this.
I ain't holding it. You already in the game.
I'm about to load that gun. Do the thing so you might just stop it out real quick for the people.
Hold it.
For the people, because I'm about to load this.
Yeah.
Want to load it?
Yeah. Load it.
I need at least like 3 more things in it.
Nah, it's the single. We seen who get it's the single shot. Paris got it. I ain't even get nothing. I missed it. I ain't even going to stun. I'm keeping it 100. Woo! Nothing. Other way, bro. Other way. He ain't hit nothing either. You ain't hit nothing. What you hit?
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle. He ain't hit nothing either.
Oh, man, buddy. We out here, man. We out here.
What did you do?
Alright, where's that?
Hey, money.
Kill me around there. You doing it?
Hey, money.
Bro, when y'all do it, bro. Next time you
Let
do
me
it,
hop on that one.
bro. Next time you do it, when you do it, don't.
That niggas is hating on me, man. I'm trying to do this for my people. Y'all niggas ain't trying to let me get on the sticks. Let me hop on, B.
Wait a minute, I gotta let young man. I gotta let. Oh, y'all took all the book.
Mark just loaded up a whole.
He killing.
Mark just loaded up a whole clip.
Man,
Just shot a whole clip. They just load up a whole clip. About to dump that whole clip. Let me hop
Yeah,
on.
it's cool.
It's cool, man. Money out here, man.
Well, baby, you about to shoot this.
I'll do half the clip.
We out here, man. We out here, man. Money hogging all the bullets, man. We got bad
I'm
man.
trying to get my
bullets.
skills.